Hi everybody, you are animal lovers. Have you ever helped poor animals? I believe you've done so before. Please take a look at the following cases of animal rescue.
A kind man saw a poor puppy on the side of the road. This dog is paralyzed in his front legs and cannot move. Hungry, exhausted, and full of fleas. Pitiful. He quickly took the dog to the veterinary hospital. Luckily, no broken bones. The dog has a deformed limb syndrome. That means the dog needs a long course of treatment. The dog's cry made me unable to hold back the tears. Perhaps the dog is too desperate and in pain about this disability. However, the dog did not stop trying to walk. Veterinarians are always trying to help the dog stand on its own feet. Physiotherapy is a method applied during treatment. In addition, every day the dog must take medicine and functional food. What a brave and energetic dog. It always tries to stand on its feet when possible. After 2 weeks of treatment, the dog was able to stand on its own without assistance. However, still unable to walk. With the help of the veterinarians, I think the dog's illness will soon be cured. It's great. Can you see that the poor dog is now able to walk on his own? Wow, it can even run. My feelings right now don't know what to say other than thank you. These poor dogs were once abandoned. A poor man brought them home to raise. And you know, originally one and now many dogs are being adopted. They are living together as a family. Every day, the man will bring rice and water to these dogs. Seeing them eat deliciously, the owner must be very happy. Although life is still difficult, the man always looks at the dogs to try and will never abandon them. Thanks to the man, these dogs are no longer afraid of hunger, cold, and disease. It was touching because of the man's actions. Somewhere on this earth there are still good people like you. Thank you for spreading the love of animals to everyone. A very badly injured dog is lying helplessly in the field. It needs to be treated. Its leg was broken and there was a rotting wound on its back. The people here saw it and informed the kind girl. The wound is very serious. Need to be careful and rescue it. Even though she is used to it, it still hurts her heart to see dogs suffering like this. The vet examined it and found the broken leg bone had pierced its skin. The battle for life has only just begun. Veterinarians work hard every day. Day after day, the dog always has good people by his side. Things were going very well and the vets were ready for the next step, surgery on the broken leg. In the days after surgery, the dog performed very well. An energetic dog ready to return. It is strong enough to walk on 4 legs. Last week, the dog was discharged from the hospital. They named her Lydia and prepared to put her in foster care. A resilient dog who has weathered terrible trauma, he deserves a better life. Hoping for a good owner to adopt it soon. Today's video has come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to watch the next interesting videos. Goodbye and see you again.